Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am shooting from my classroom right now. I am an ESL teacher here in the Philippines and it's my break time, so I thought I could do a short video. Alright, and I've been meaning to talk about something that's been on my mind for the past couple of days, and it's about those Lost in Time and Secret Paths shawl tutorials that I have done here in my channel. If you've been following my channel, you'd remember that I have those tutorials, around 20 videos for the Lost in Time Shawl and 8 videos for the Secret Paths Shawl. And if you look around in my channel now, you wouldn't find those videos anymore. So what happened? Actually, YouTube took down some of the videos and I had to delete the rest of it. Okay, why? But before I tell you the story, let me just say that the Lost in Time Shawl and the Secret Paths Shawls are among the most beautiful, exquisite crocheted shawls I have ever made. And these shawls are absolutely free. These are free patterns shared to us by Mijo Crochet. Alright, you can find the patterns, the PDF patterns in her website. So back to my story. In 2019, I tried to reach out to the designer to ask permission about making those video tutorials for the two shawls, but unfortunately she declined to give her permission, and that's okay at that time. But during the pandemic, I decided to do the video tutorials anyway. And later, I'll tell you more about the reasons why I did this. Okay, but let me continue with my story. So I made those tutorials and posted it on my channel. And I believe that it helped a lot of people to make the shawl successfully. I read in the comments that they were happy because they could follow the step-by-step procedure or step-by-step process of making the shawls, and a lot of people were successful in making the shawls where they failed in the past from just reading the written pattern. I thought those videos were helpful, and that made me happy too. In 2022, YouTube suddenly sent me a message telling me that they have deleted some of my videos, and when I checked, it was a copyright strike, and a report was filed for the copyright of the two shawls. So YouTube deleted those videos, and I was just surprised that there was no warning whatsoever, or no one reaching out to me to take down the videos. YouTube just deleted it just like that. And so from this experience, I learned two things. Okay, so the first one, number one, I learned that you should never disregard copyright, okay, because a lot of your hard work, time, and effort could be wasted. YouTube can just delete your videos and all that hard work, time, and effort just down the drain. Okay, the other lesson that I learned is to always back up your videos even though you've already uploaded it on YouTube. So thinking that it will be there forever is not very wise, okay, because you would end up having no copies of your hard work. Alright, so remember, don't disregard copyright and always back up your videos. Alright, so why did I do those tutorials? Okay, actually, the only reason is that I just wanted to share this beautiful pattern to more people, and it was really just that reason that I wanted to teach more people how to do the pattern successfully. So I'm also taking this opportunity to reach out to the designer of Mijo Crochet, and I'd like to apologize for making those videos, even though she clearly didn't give her permission. So in life, we have experiences that teach us lessons, and how we react to these learning moments is what can shape us in becoming what we are. And from this experience, I try to take the good from this, and I believe that it will help me to attain a better version of myself. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to share my experience. I hope my experience will help other YouTubers and crocheters out there. Okay, thank you for listening. I'll see you on my next video.